Hey guys, it's Wolf here back with another video. So in this video we're going to check out XRP price analysis today and check out also some news on Twitter about XRP, what people are saying here. People are very bullish. XRP has a huge community. There's so much smart people on XRP community, but then also there's just this like a coolish behavior, which is in a sense pretty weird. SEC has charged Ripple with unregistered securities offering, and that's also the thing that's holding back XRP. But without all those things, if you just consider the fundamental thing that they are doing and the product that they are creating, it's an awesome product. Nobody can argue against that. Like the product is very good, and if consumers like it, if customers like it, their customers being banks, I think that's it. What do you need? What kind of riddle do you need, guys? Okay, so I think that's very awesome. But also at the same time, I think that when you take account the opportunity cost, um, um I'm not going to maybe go into that in this video. It's going to be very long stuff. But I think that you have to take account the opportunity cost, and I do believe that XRP can go to like even like $15, $50 spike. Who knows in this bull run, right? So, like if you really start thinking about it, I've been in cryptocurrencies late 2016, 2017, and the 2017, 2018 bull run was crazy, like absolutely crazy. And XRP spiked $3.84 or something like that back then, and yeah, it was just madness. That was crazy. So I think that we will see that kind of huge spike in 2021 also, and I do believe that XRP can go to crazy numbers, just because I think that also all of these currencies are going to go crazy places, like crazy insane stuff. Um, but now currently the market conditions, I do believe that we have gone up somewhat here, and the alt season is started. I think that there has to be at some point people are start to take profits, okay, and that's when we see back again like a 20% sell off, and I'm basically what I'm um, start doing now is I'm starting to stack up cash, so uh if that happens and when that happens, um I will wait here like a freaking snake, and then I will buy, because I do believe that the bull market will continue, and then I have very good, when I buy the cryptocurrency I have very good margin of safety, okay. And you know I think that that's very important with cryptocurrencies, because the price fluctuates a lot. So even if you buy here and then it goes here, you have a lot of room to play here. Okay, have a lot of room to play here, and then even if when it goes further, then you have even more room to play here, because a lot of people who are on cryptocurrencies they buy here, and then they have any room to play it. And when it drops, because cryptocurrencies are very volatile, nothing goes up forever. When the price goes up down, and they bought here, they are at loss, and then they will sell because they don't know what the asset is, and then it will go this, and then it will go again. But if you buy here, you are just profit all the time, and then it's very, what I'm saying, your portfolio is green, and it's harder to lose that money. Okay, like Charlie Munger and Warren Buffett says is that all you have to do is get rich once, and then you after that you have to just preserve it. Okay, not to lose that money. Okay. And this is the SEC charges Ripple and two executives with conducting 1.3 billion unregistered securities offering. So this is the thing here. So the Securities and Exchange Commission announced today that it has filed an action against Ripple Labs Inc. and two of its executives, who are also significant security holders, alleging that they raised over 1.3 billion through an unregistered ongoing digital asset securities offering. According to the SEC's complaint, Ripple Christian Larsen, the company's co-founder, executive chairman of its board, and former CEO Bradley Erlinghaus, the company's current CEO, raised capital to finance the company's business. The compliant analogy is that Ripple raised funds beginning in 2013 through the sale of digital assets known as XRPs and unregistered securities offering to investors in the US and worldwide. Ripple also distributed billions of XRP in exchange for non-cash consideration such as labor and market-making services. According to the compliant, in addition to the structure and prompting the XRP sales used to finance the company's business, Larsen and Garlinghouse also effected personal unregistered sales of XRP totaling approximately 600 million. The complaint alleges that the defendants failed to register their offering and sales of XRP or satisfy any exemption from registration in violation of the registration providers of the federal securities laws. If you go to Wikipedia and you read about XRP and Ripple, they like people have been suing XRP left and right for years now. Okay, and they are still here. So issuers seeking the benefits of a public offering, including access to retail investors, broad distribution, and a secondary trading market, must comply with the federal securities laws that require registration of offerings unless an exemption from registration applies, said Stephanie Avakian, director of SEC's Enforcement Division. We allege that Ripple, Larsen, and Garlinghouse failed to register their ongoing offer and sale of billions of XRP to retail investors, which deprived potential purchasers of accurate disclosures about XRP and Ripple's business and other important long-standing protections that are fundamental to a robust public market system. The registration requirements are designed to ensure that the potential investors, including importantly retail investors, receive important information about an issuer's business operations and financial condition, said Mark P. Berger, Deputy Director of SEC's Enforcement Division. Here we allege that Ripple and its executives failed over a period of years to satisfy these core investor protection provisions, and as a result, investors lacked information to which they were entitled. SEC's complaint filed today in Federal District Court in Manhattan charges defendant with violating the registration provision of the Securities Act of 1933 and seeks injunctive relief, disgorgement with prejudgmental interest, and civil penalties. The SEC's investigation was conducted by Boom Boom Boom, and the case is being supervised by Litman. It's Litman. It's Litman. Christina is Litman. Yeah, she's a Litman. Yeah. She's Litman. So chief of the Boom 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 will conducted by Boom and Boom and Boom, and that's that, baby. That's handing it. And yeah. So anyway, now you know what's happening with the lawsuit, and straight from the horse's mouth, straight from SEC's website, not from just random YouTube stuff, people tweeting it and all that stuff. So that's what's happening. And here's what's happening with Twitter. People are very bullish on XRP. Potatoes gonna potato. XRP's gonna, people are hating, man. And let's see. Okay, that's the current situation, guys. That's the current situation. Okay, so I quickly want to see about ZAP. If you guys remember, ZAP token, this was huge. People like hyped it up back then, really a lot. Okay, it has performed really well also. Yeah, here it was a rundown, and then it was from 24 cents to 4 cents now. Boom, that's cool. Anyway, I think that's going to be the video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you have anything you want to add to the video, just comment down below. I would love to hear your insights and your whatever you want to share with us. It's community. We are just, you know, nobody's like perfect here. We are not like experts here. I'm not the expert here. I don't know if you are, but I'm not. And I just be creating these videos to document my cryptocurrency journey and just share my opinions. Okay, just sharing my voice here. Okay, just sharing my 2 cents. Right. So anyway, thank you so much for supporting the channel, and thank you so much, guys, and see you in the next videos. Okay.